Many smelting plants confuse two core carbon-conductive consumables, electrode paste and graphite electrodes. Wrong selection leads to high power loss and frequent equipment downtime. Let's clarify their fundamental gaps for your furnace procurement. Electrode paste uses coal tar pitch binder plus calcined coal coke aggregate, shaped and baked on site inside furnaces. Graphite electrodes adopt modified coal pitch binder plus premium needle coke, undergoing extrusion, baking, and high-temperature graphitization in factories. Their raw material and processing routes differ entirely. Electrode paste self-sinters in closed submerged arc furnaces, ideal for calcium carbide, ferroalloy smelting. Graphite electrodes are pre-graphitized rigid rods applied in open steelmaking arc furnaces with ultra-high current load, assembled by screw joints for quick replacement. 3 core gaps: conductivity, heat resistance, and physical form. Graphite electrodes deliver superior conductivity and thermal stability. Electrode paste features low upfront cost for sealed furnace long cycle operation. DM your furnace type and smelting material, full specs and free samples coming soon.